You know that feeling when you want to do everything? You want to learn editing, start a YouTube channel, read books, maybe get into fitness, maybe psychology, maybe business, or maybe art. And then you end up doing nothing. Yeah, that. If you have ever felt like the biggest problem isn't lack of interest, but too many interests, this video is for you. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be talking about something that doesn't get discussed a lot. That is the confusion of having many passions. Because growing up you're told, find your passion, focus on one thing, specialize. But what if you don't have just one thing? What if you like everything? Let me paint a picture. You wake up motivated, you decide, today I'll do something new. You open YouTube, search how to start a podcast, then suddenly how to learn graphic design, and then how to build a personal brand, how to invest money, how to learn psychology. And now it's been 3 hours. You've saved 27 videos and started zero. This is not laziness. This is overwhelm disguised as curiosity. Here's the truth. Having too many interests create decision fatigue. Every time you choose one thing, you feel like you're abandoning another. So your brain does the safest thing. That is, it avoids choosing altogether. Then comes the guilt. And you start thinking, why can't I just focus? Why am I wasting time? But the problem isn't you. The problem is you are living a single passion life with a multi-passion brain. Let's change something right now. Having multiple interests is not a weakness. It's actually a creative advantage. Some of the most interesting people in the world aren't specialists. They are connectors. They combine skills like content and psychology, business and storytelling, art and technology. The goal is not to reduce your interests. The goal is to organize them. You don't have too many interests. You have no system, no structure, and unrealistic expectations. You're trying to do everything all at once perfectly, and that's the issue. Instead of doing everything at once, divide your life into seasons. For example, for the next 2 months, focus on YouTube. The next 2 months, focus on fitness. The next, reading or skill building. You're not quitting your other interests, you're just telling them, not now, soon. This removes guilt and gives clarity. Here's a system that actually works. Have one core interest and 1 to 2 flex interests. For example, core interest can be studies or career, and flex interest can be gym and content creation. Your core gets most of the time. Your flex interest gets smaller and consistent time. This way, you're progressing without feeling guilty. Let's be real. You don't need 5 hours a day for everything. You need 30 to 60 minutes of focus time. You can try this. 1 hour for main goals, 30 minutes for secondary interest, and weekends are for exploring options. Consistency beats intensity. Doing something small daily is better than planning something big and never starting. Also, accept this. You will never have time for everything, and that's okay. Life is long. You don't have to do everything this year, you just need to keep moving. So if you feel confused right now, it is not because you're lost. It is because you have many paths and no map. Now you have one. Pick a season, choose your course, start small. And most importantly, stop waiting to become one thing. You're allowed to be many things. Also, this video is more about how it is okay to have many interests. The fact that you will get confused and you will feel lost when you have too many interests, but the thing is to have a goal at the end of the day. I know you want to be everything, I know you want to achieve many things in life, but if you don't have a map, if you don't have a plan on how you're going to achieve things, then it's going to get messy, and at the end of the day you're not going to be doing anything and just wasting time. So this is your sign to make a map and think it out clearly and just do what you feel like doing and choose what you feel like you should be choosing. That's all for today. Hope you liked it. I, as usual, love talking. I always feel better after having a good talk on my YouTube. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.